Hey guys, it's your girl here, Izzy M. Don't know so we're bad like that. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do some hairstyles with your braids and your locks using these simple things that you could find in your house. Let's go. My type, I wanna take you for a ride. Yes, I'm my type, I make we have a good time. Okay, for this first hairstyle, we're gonna part our hair to the side. So now, if you forgot your little ponytails at home, you take two from the back section like this. Ignore this because I'm gonna try to lose it. Anyways, don't just ignore that. Just get up. So then you take it, put your hair back, and you're gonna tie it. You just do a little loop like this. Okay, now for the next one. We're gonna still have our hair to the side, and then we're gonna take the front pieces of this section and we're gonna twist them. Grab the smaller ponytail. Loop it underneath again, and then when you bring it back to the front, now this is when you're gonna tie it. So you're gonna take a little, and this is the final look. And you can always move them to the front like this. Okay guys, for this one I had to stand up. So because it's a lot of hair, as you can see, it's very long. So you're gonna flip your head over, you know, you're gonna take the string. Now this is the important part. Make sure you have a string because you will struggle to fit all of this hair in a small ponytail. I start to twist it like this. So now you're gonna twist it around. You're gonna hold this piece in your hand because once you let go of this piece, that's it. Right? Hold it like this. Take the ponytail and put it all the way around like this. No, this is not cute. One thing, this not look good. So now you're gonna fix it up. All the ones that are kind of the stick out like this, you pull it out from the thing. I like mine like this. I feel like I look like a lady, you know, Jamaican queen. Okay guys, so those were 6 quick and easy hairstyles that you can do when you want to look cute but you don't want to take up too much time. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram for more. Bye guys!